By using this frame system, it helps us speed up our production times tenfold. We can hoop a variety of sweaters, sweater after sweater after sweater after sweater, and ensuring consistent results instead of manually aligning every single shirt. Hey there, welcome to Prairie Printing. We're going to show you how the MaggieFrame magnetic embroidery hoops help us to embroider a t-shirt efficiently and with ease. Today we'll be making a large man shirt using the Talent hooping station. We're going to start by grabbing our bottom bracket with the little O-ring on it and lining it up with the 51 on our hoop station. We're going to take the back of our and just press it in place to hold it secure. Then I'm going to take a pre-cut piece of stabilizer, line it up and clamp it down with the magnets. And there you have it. Now we're ready for the shirt. We're going to take our shirt and just stretch it over the top of the hooping station. Perfect. Lining the collar up with G and just make sure this shirt is nice and centered. I take the top clip, snap it down, and we're good to go. Whether you're working with thick or thin fabrics, the MaggieFrame performs flawlessly. It's even great for uneven materials like zippers, pockets, or patchwork, ensuring that they all stay securely in place during the embroidery process. At Prairie Printing, we use the MaggieFrame system to help speed up our embroidery process and ensure uniform stitching every single time. We have a variety of different hoops that we use on a regular basis. This is our 7.7 by 12.5 inch embroidery hoop. This one is our 3.9 by 3.9 inch embroidery hoop. This one is our 6 inch by 8 inch embroidery hoop. This one is for sleeves. This one would be 7.6 by 2.7 inches. And last but not least, we have another left chest one. This one is 5.1 by 5.1 inches. All of the MaggieFrame embroidery hoops are equipped with very strong earth magnets around the perimeter and a nice textured plastic on either side to help hold the fabric taut and ensure uniform tension regardless of the thickness of the fabric. At Prairie Printing, we use the MaggieFrame system to help streamline our embroidery process and ensure consistent results every single time. By using this frame system, it helps us speed up our production times tenfold. We can hoop a variety of sweaters, sweater after sweater after sweater after sweater, and ensuring consistent results instead of manually aligning every single shirt.